Hello guys, today I want to show you how to get the old Discord theme back. First, what you need to do is download Better Discord, link is in the description. After you did that, you go to your settings and look if the Better Discord is down there. If it is, you did everything right. If not, I would reload my Discord or try to install it again. If it still doesn't work, I would recommend watch a YouTube tutorial. Second thing you need to do install is the theme. For that you need to go to the second link in the description and download it. Now you need to put the theme from the download path into the plugin path of Better Discord. Now to the last step you go is turn that on. And you are done. I am doing next video how to make a PaySafe card to PayPal balance and you don't want to miss that. So, subscribe and turn on the notification bell and goodbye for today.